Alright guys, we are back again into a new video. So this is third video and third lab of web cache poisoning. So this one is with multiple headers, and this one is really interesting because this is the particular lab you are gonna find in many real world targets. It's gonna teach you how you will redirect someone from the root directory and then keep on redirecting that. That's kind of funny. So we'll just quickly solve this lab, and then we will see what we have to do. So this lab contains a web cache poisoning vulnerability. This is only exploitable when you use multiple headers to craft a malicious request. A user keep on visiting this lab and on our home page, and then we have to execute this XSS there. So that's it, and I've already run it, and I have an exploit server. So yeah, we have to grab that XSS here. So very first thing we will do is go and click everywhere. This is mandatory to do. Let's go and click that is much. So I don't have to go and click anywhere. What is this? Oh shit, I don't have a scope target. Oh yeah, I have not said that. Let's copy this Web Security Academy, only this one. I'll just go and add this, remove, okay. Yeah, go to sitemap. I just only need in scope items, I don't need your crap. Yeah, that's it. And I will copy this to the, yeah, this root, and let's check, send it. And this is cache oracle. We can see all this response here. Now let's go and check. Okay, PortSwigger is our JS file. Okay, now I think will go on the exploit. Yeah, we have to go and craft XSS here. I want to check one more thing, and this root is it. Showcase. Yeah, all right. So we will go and craft this one. So you can do and go use your own script to do first. I will use miner and guess the headers. They already given us hint that it's gonna be multiple headers. We have to find an unkeyed header, and this will give us in quite seconds, I guess, because there's not much of headers is going through, but it is going fuzzing a lot. If I can go and check the logger is doing that, and we'll save it. And okay, so getting a lot of response. And if I go to exploit server, what I have to craft, what's that? We have to craft document cookie, right? Yeah. I have to go to books. Does we got any? No. Let's go and keep on crafting, bro. Okay. We'll just wait for some seconds more, and it will give us a result. Oh, my link finder is also working. Got something there. Alright. I don't want to pause the video, otherwise I'll using that, then I have to edit. Oh yeah, between that, the another thing I have to show is that I'm keeping a record of all this, and I will put this on my GitHub. There is a repo on it. So the interesting part is here I'm also adding this YouTube links, so you can just go and click here. So okay, we got this status code and we got cache poisoning, but there's like a 0, not the 1. And what is our secret input header is exporter scheme. If you don't know what is exporter scheme, the backend and the cache buster, only the backend will know that you are connecting from HTTP, HTTPS, so that's just a protocol thing, secure or not. So if I go and export forward this scheme, and I will add it to HTTPS, it doesn't do anything. It will just like, okay, you're safe to go because you are connecting securely. If I do cache buster 1 to 3 and put, because I already got a hit, right? So I'm using cache buster. So we do HTTP and it will do redirection. So this is really dangerous when you go to any website and keep on redirecting the user there. So now what we do, we will just go to extension again. We need something unkeyed header again, so we can just go and put our host and it will redirect to the particular host. Right now it is not going redirecting anywhere, just this site. We need a full host. I know like what host can be redirected, but I want to see like where a miner can go and find it. You also have an idea if you have given and solved this kind of labs. So X forwarded host will be the case. Let's check. I don't know if Paramine is still working. There's lots of fuzzing going on behind the scene. See, already 900 requests. Alright. Oh yeah, we got it. We got a hit. We got a cache poisoning, and there we go. The X forwarded host is the one. If you go to secret headers, there should be 1 and 2. Yeah, it's just here. So now we have X forwarded host. We just copy it and we will paste it here. So in the X forwarded host, we will do our exploit site. This one. Let's copy it. So a user just redirect to our malicious payload, and we will just do alert a document.cookie and just store this. This is what our lab wants us to show to the victim, and that's it. If I just go and remove this cache buster, I will just put it, and we got miss, and now we got hit. So that's it. Oh yeah, one more thing. What I'm doing. That's a mistake. I haven't changed the file name, so it will not know like which file it is trying to retrieve. Okay, I have to do it again. Okay, this got miss. This got hit, right? And this particular, yeah. And I have solved the lab. But this is not what I want to show you. The thing that I want to show in this lab is when you go to any site in the real world, what you can show that you can actually poison them and make him really impactful. From my perspective, I think like this is really more impactful than this XSS is just redirect to someone to a malicious site. It's like fray.com. If I'm putting it here and just see, now it is going redirected to fray.com, something malicious site. And what is fray.com? I don't know, like a laundry one or something when I last checked. Let's go and check it in the render. Yeah, that's a laundry one, right? Yeah, so there still owns this. Okay, now if someone like, oh, I'm a victim now, I click on this lab and I just go access the home site. I will go redirect you to fray.com. So how's that? I will just go and refresh it. So you see this one is working right here, and let me poison this again. So you got the idea, right? What I'm telling you, just go and poison it with something malicious, and I will go miss again, like hit again, and then if I go and access the lab, and I will go on it. Okay, this one is like 2 times like going collision again and again. Alright, that's it for this video, and I will see you on the another one. Okay, where's my bed?